cocaine this motherfucker. Make sure that this don't fucking jam, man. Fucking tripping out here, yeah? Bet y'all split something on it.
Niggas be scheming, fiending to catch a chicks, they off the hook. I come through there, look how they look. I'm riding lane and they dreaming, they do me dirty. If they could, I'm looking like I wish you would.
Try me, go ahead, try me.
Niggas be scheming, dreaming.
Try me, had you hooked the IV.
Niggas be scheming, dreaming.
Man, niggas won't do me dirty, I'm fresh out the tub. You move like a snail, you deserve to catch a slug. Man, I wake up hugging my bitch, one with the extended clip, not the one that I went. If you off Mazan, then you know shit real. They got change on the mic, I ain't trying to see him kill. I told him that's my cuz, I don't want to see nothing happen to him. Cause when I start spitting at him, I ain't rapping to him. Yeah, I'm jumping in that water like a diver. 6-shot survivor, school of hard knocks scholar. These niggas ain't riders, they hiders, they cowards. I feel like 50, home power for $1. I told my niggas, give me one of them bulletproof trucks. I won't see who's dumb enough to try and shoot it up. I'm looking at the nigga letting off. Waited till he finished the clip, laughed and pulled off.
Niggas be scheming, fiending to catch a chicks, they off the hook. I come through there, look how they look. I'm riding lane and they dreaming, they do me dirty. If they could, I'm looking like I wish you would.
Try me, go ahead, try me.
Niggas be scheming, dreaming.
Try me, had you hooked the IV.
Niggas be scheming, it sounds like a nightmare. I graduated from fighting, play the projects faster than a 32-man indictment. See my baby blue Ferrari, make them feel like the virus in their stomach. I keep it 100, I make them vomit. Got a code name for scraps, the sax and the trumpet. I get the blowing, your ears will ring for days when I dump it. My bullet wounds call them beauty marks. In my hole, we don't talk to knock. So the first 48, the clock ticking, the plot thickens. The charge, go in possession, I'm creeping with a firearm. The D's don't even wanna see me with a firearm. Before I go back again, I'ma let it off. They ain't got the pop first, fuck that, I'ma set it up. I need a mental eval, something wrong with my brain waves. I'm rich as